climb the greatest heights, jump down and have a fight, and that's all we'll ever like. But that can never change my mind. When it's good, it's amazing. When it's bad, it's amazing.
What's up, fam? Today is my day 6 here and I'm going for my COVID test. Yep, so I'm in the middle of the streets. I'm going to use the metro train. And yeah, welcome to my channel. I'm using my phone today. I don't want to carry so many things. Guys, I was almost like getting into the wrong train, but someone has really guided me so well, so I'm happy. I'm going to the right one. Yep. The good thing of asking and having your mouth to ask. It's a little bit straightforward now, because from here there is one station and then to my station, which is now Dubai Healthcare City. Now from there I will have to ask and get to that hospital, but so far so good. Yep, what an adventure.
When it's good, it's amazing. When it's bad, it's uneasy. I wouldn't
At least I have a seat on this one. I'm smiling inside my mask, by the way.
it hurts like this. Ever like them, ever like, ever like them, ever like them, ever like them. When it hurts like this.
Dubai Healthcare City.
I'm on the last station, like I'm just getting out. I think I even saw the building of Emirates Specialty Hospital, so I'm not doing badly, good people. Let's go.
When it hurts like this.
Walking to the hospital from the metro station. I mean the green line, that is, which is still metro. Dubai is just beautiful everywhere. Like the buildings are just amazing. And it's one of the safest places I've ever been to. Like, people are just nice, they show you direction, and yeah, when you ask they answer you. No one is trying to rob you or something like that. Like, it's an amazing city. My surrounding is amazing as well. Guys, I'm here. I can't even record anything.
Ticket number.
Done at the hospital. I'm heading back to metro. I feel like all the hospitals are around here, because I'm seeing on my other side at the far end we have there's Maghribi Hospital, there's Moorfield Hospital, like on that far end, and I'm just from Emirates Specialty Hospital or something like that. So I feel like they're all the hospital, like all hospitals are in this line. Then ahead of me there is another one. Yeah, Dubai is so organized on how they do their things. And I like that. I like that about it. Like, this is also another hospital. So in Dubai, you can't cross when you're not supposed to cross. That's one thing I've learned. Something else I've learned by people is that the cars in Dubai will stop for you to go. Like, you're going to like cross. They will stop and then you cross and then you're good to go. Yep. Anyway, I'm here. I'm going to Ibn Battuta. I was there yesterday, but there's something I didn't get, so I'm going to check out there because I wanted to go to Deira today, but I'm not going to Deira. So yeah, so let me go and get it there. This place is so empty, which is good. I can shoot the videos that I want to shoot. I'm going to get to that green line and then back to the red metro and then now to Ibn Battuta. But I'm going to reconnect again. I think the next time I'm seeing you guys is at Ibn Battuta, the mall that I was in yesterday. Yup. Guess what, my people? We made it to Ibn Battuta mall.
Let the beat take you over, you just can't breathe.
I am getting out of Ibn Battuta. I already got the stuff I needed. Yes, they're all here. So I'm heading to Residence 2. That's in Jumeirah. This Jumeirah, yes. So I'm going to link up with a friend there, and then I have my swimming costume inside this bag that is on my waist right here. So I can swim when I get there. Yes, I'm going to the beach. I'm going to the metro station, which is right next to it. So going all the way to my friend Brenda. I'm going to meet Brenda again. My people, I am tired of walking in this corridor. Like from the other train, I'm connecting to metro. No, sorry, to the tram, and it's just a long walk. Guys, I met Brenda. I'm with Brenda already.
Hi.
Yes.
Just found me.
Yes, so I'm back in the beach again. So today I'm hoping to swim because I'm here early enough, and yeah. Lunch is here, by the way, good people. I didn't tell you, but yes, we're having lunch. We passed by McDonald's as usual, and we're having this chicken, I don't know what, chicken nuggets, yes, and chips and burger. What a life! Like just like we've been eating unhealthy food. In Dubai, we just eat junk food always. Guys, it's time for me to swim. We've eaten, and the good thing about this beach is that it's just so like it's super clean. So there are all these trash cans that you get to throw your stuff. It's not like Mombasa Beach, and you have to sort it out. Guys, I'm going to the beach. I don't know if this is the ocean, a sea, whatever this is. I'm just going in. It doesn't matter. I am going in.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Ready to explore right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying.
Great people, I'm back home, yes, and I need to end this video because I didn't end it. My phone went off and I was like, you know what, let me just continue swimming, and I enjoyed my swimming in that. Actually, it's an artificial beach, yeah, from my understanding, from what I was told. Yes, so but it has a lot of salt. It was my first time swimming in such a beach. I've never swum in such, like, just being inside that water, even if it was not a proper swimming, but yeah, so it was my first time, and it was just too salty compared to the normal beaches that we have, like in Kenya. So yeah, so anyway, that's how my day went, and I'm happy the way it went. Like, at least I achieved everything that I wanted to do. Went to the hospital, went to that shopping mall, and then went to meet with Brenda, which was amazing, and we had an amazing time. I left around 7 something because I'm getting home at around 8 something. Right now it's almost 9. So yeah, so anyway, good people, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do. And until next time, good people, kisses to you.
From London to Taiwan, I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.